Welcome to this video on copying visible cells in Microsoft Excel. So there's a number of different ways you can copy and paste data in Excel using like the shortcuts, copy and paste and things like that. But if you've got any hidden cells or filters in place, it may copy everything over and you may not want that. You may only want the visible cells. So there's a quick and easy way that I'm going to show you to make sure you're only copying what is currently visible on the screen. And you can see I've got a filter in place, so I can only see certain orders on my data. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that data. And if you look to the left hand side, you can see I've got rows of data invisible, hidden, because the filter is in place. And I only want the information that's on the screen. So to make sure that I only get that, what I'm going to do on the Home tab in the ribbon is I'm going to go to Find and Select. And then I'm going to Go to Special. So very, very quickly. And then I'm going to see Visible Cells Only and click on OK. And what I can then do is Control and copy because I am on a Mac. Sorry, a Command and copy because I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, Control and copy or Control and C. And then I'm going to just drop this information a little bit lower down by using Control or Command and V. And you can see that it's only giving me the data that is currently on my screen. You can see in that first table, I've definitely got some information that's hidden in there. But the data that I've pasted is only what is showing because of what is visible on my screen right now. So one to play around with, and some of the Find and Select tools can be super useful. But I went to Find and Select and Go to Special to use this bit of functionality. So have a go at that one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.